everyone, welcome to Perfect Women, India's first talking magazine with me, Dr. Khushi Gurubai Thakkar, editor and publisher. Talking about my today's Perfect Woman, she's Viba Narshana. She's the founder of Party and Travel Groups. She's also the founder of Solitaire Event. She believes one thing, that loneliness is the main cause for depression. Let's party together and reinvent ourselves. So let's join her and understand her group and her activities. It's her 8th anniversary, so definitely here we have again. So Viva, please, since the network issue was there, we will come back again. What made you to start this group? Because you are from a field of marketing, then travel being your main agenda, you turned your evocation into your profession. Now, since everything is all about party and travel, what made you to start this?
So almost 8 years back, because of my fight between me and my best friend, my group was broken. There where I thought I don't have anybody to travel, nor I have somebody to party with. I thought, why not to start a group where people who loves to party, people who loves to travel, maybe just go out for the coffee can join me together. I was quite surprised to see that exactly in a week time when I started it, I got more than 300 people who joined me, and they were all mostly in my age circle. And then I started seeing people who are a teenage, who were between 21 to 25, were also looking forward for. So that inspired me, and then thought, why not to start a community itself? And there where we are currently 60,000 and above, who has in fact partied and traveled with us from last 8 years.
Wow, that's the inspirational story, because this is how we women fight with everything and we can make our own way.
Yes.
And you achieved your long. And along with this, you even started your event industries company in the name of Solitaire, right? Which I went through your profile. I was just wondering what work has been done under the shelter of Solitaire Events.
So Solitaire Events has been formed from last 18 years. And we started with the birthday parties, and then we started taking weddings. We have done a very big weddings for Kothari families or Ranawat families. So we plan their weddings and everything. Plus, we have also done a exhibition and conference for Smart, NRR builders, and many more. Like, we have done almost 800 events till now from last 18 years. We had done a birthday parties for celebrities also. We had done a fashion show also. We have a client like Archana Kochar, whom we handle their events and everything. So depending upon events to events, we plan up for them.
Okay, so next time if anybody is looking for a wedding planner, here she is. Viba Narshana, along with her Solitaire.
Thank you so much, Khushi.
Yes. Apart from all this, suppose like as you have been into the event industry for past 18 years, then suddenly you came up with a new idea along with it for the travel and party groups, where people can party together, they can connect with each other, they can build their relation for a better future, releasing their toxic mind into a format where the depression and the loneliness can be completely waived out. So if not travel, or if not party, or if not events, what you would have done? What would have been your focus since your childhood?
Okay, so basically my father, because my family is all about lawyer, like my brother is learning a law, my niece is learning also learn the law. So we were thinking I can be a lawyer too, but then I thought everybody's in a family is a lawyer, why should I be the one?
Okay, so
that's
you
the idea. I changed my life
towards the fashion and glamour world.
Yeah, it was more of a glamour and people around to me. I love meeting people and talking to them. That's the thing which attracts me towards them.
So this is your agenda where people get connected. And do you arrange these tours and travels only for India, or even overseas also, if anybody wants to travel? Because we all keep on planning and thinking about somebody should be there to guide us where to go for a holiday. So you plan all those holidays also?
Yes, we plan international holiday. In fact, we have our branch office, which is also in Greece, in Fia, which happened last year itself. And most of the time, people think that it's not economical, but you can go to Thailand and come back in 30,000 rupees, where you can go to the Himalaya and come back. So we customize in a way where it is a budgeted trip, and people who have a budget of 30,000 also can travel international and can come back. So last year we had done 9 trips, which was a group trip, and almost 15 to 20 people we take. We don't take people like 50, 100, Most of the tour companies prefer that, but we take it only 15 to 20. That is the maximum which we take it for the international. So we can specialize, we can, make them special. We Everything which we do in party and travel, especially in international or national, we make it sure they feel special about it.
So that means, according to you, that the moment those people address you and they join you, or probably they book you, soon after that time, till their travel or tour is been finished and they are back to their home, you take care of everything.
Yes, me and my team is there. I have a partners also with me whom we all go, like either I am there, either my partners are there. The time they come from the airport, they go to the place, they travel, hotel, sightseeing, everything. Once they come back to India, till that time we are always there with them together.
So, since you are an expert and you can guide our viewers and readers and everyone, which is your favorite destination and which is the best destination you might advise to others?
Kushi, it will go for 1 hour and more if I start talking about the destination. But I love Greece. Especially, it's like people think it's a romantic place, but I can think even the families can also go there. Even children, the age group between 8 to 15, they can go alone and they can come back to Greece. It's a very beautiful place. From the beach to the people, to the economy, to everything. It's quite safe also. So Greece is my favorite. Second place I can say any person can just go is Thailand. It's a place for everybody. So I think Thailand is something even the youngsters, like people like senior citizen, they can also go and they just come back. So yeah, Greece and Thailand is my favorite.
So these are your international ones. But when I talk about India, then because India is so much to see, so which is the best place according to you?
Trust me, my bag is already packed right now to go to Goa. Every year, at least more than 25 times, I go to Goa. So every weekend, it is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If you don't see me in Mumbai, I'm definitely in Goa. So Goa is my favorite. And once in a year, which I look forward for, is Leh Ladakh, which is closed currently. But that is a place which I suggest each and every Indian should see prior they go to international. We have everything which is there in international is there in India, and you should just travel Leh Ladakh and you will understand how beautiful it is.
Oh, that's definitely. I'm also going to go ahead with this. So when it comes to teenagers, because like there are teens, and which are the places safe for teens? Because if they're traveling, suppose if they're traveling alone, nowadays these days kids are very super active and they search from the Google and then they just grab it. They just try to go ahead with that. So for them, what do you advise?
If it is a domestic, every place in India is safe. Trust me. Because I've seen people who are a teenager, even people from outside India come to India and then they travel whole India. It's quite safe. Once you talk about international, Europe is quite safe because I have seen many countries taking care of the teenage tourist who comes back, and especially Bali. So if sometime it is the first time, I will suggest any parents, if it is Bali, it is quite safe. And if it is India, Leh Ladakh is quite good. Goa is good. You can, if the children are like youngsters between 18 to 21, they will go to Pondicherry and come back. So all these places are quite safe. They can really travel there.
Okay, that's wonderful. So you even take charge of the kids also, or it is something that once some elder has to be a
For example, if it is age group between normally the age group between 18 to 21, they keep on traveling with us. There are special batches for them where every 10% we have our tour manager to be there. Once it comes to you can say teenagers in a way like between 15 to 18, we always prefer a written letter from the parents, because then we have to take care of them and they should not go against our rule. So
Yeah.
depends to person to person. Yeah, we customize, we see the person, we take the interview if these people are comfortable in taking group tour or they have to go for a private tour.
So all of you, it's something new for everyone, because here we see Vibha doing every packaging, whatever plans she has been doing, it has been customized, it has been tailored. So this is something very unique with travel and party and travel groups. So now coming to party and travel groups, so since you said that you customize everything, and apart from this, so you've been doing it for past 8 years. So have there been any success story or story which you remember? Something very close to you or something close to your heart?
There are two stories I can say very quickly. One is the senior citizen. We have taken almost 60 people as a senior citizen to Lakshadweep. And
Okay.
senior citizen, they have so many things like, while walking, they can't even walk, they can't even talk. They are 70 years and above. And we
Okay.
completed this trip successfully. Like to handle 60 senior citizen is like handling 60 kids, and it was a very beautiful experience for us. And when they came back, they told us, Vibha, we felt like a small children and we want to come back again. So that is the success stories we have it. And the most beautiful, which I can say, that there were one friend of mine who was divorced, and he was saying, Vibha, I'm feeling very lonely. Let's you organize a trip only for the people who are divorced. And we did that. And after they came back, there is a very beautiful message which I got it, that we found somebody in a group and we are planning to remarry. And that was something which inspired me, that yes, if somebody is single and they have been divorced or being single and they come in a trip and in next 10 days you find your love partner, which is very beautiful.
So this is how you've been taking blessings also. So it's not just party, travel, blessings, spiritual, everything under
Yes,
one.
one single banner.
Yeah, one single banner. Absolutely. Okay, Viva, since I know you very well, I'm just asking from my point of view. Like, since you know me, like, completely vegetarian and completely from a family where everything goes very spiritually. Now, people like us who are very foodie. Okay, so for us, which place is you advise for a trip or a holiday somewhere? Because non-vegetarians, we stay away from them. So for us, what you advise?
So basically, Rajasthan, if you talk about India, Rajasthan is a and you get variety of vegetarian food. When you talk about international, I will again suggest Bali. You will be surprised to see that Bali has so many variety of vegetarian food. Like literally, even if you go for a street food, you will find lots of vegetarian, because there are Hindus. Bali is more of a background of a Hindu people. So you will see not only vegetarian, but you will see Gujarati, Punjabi, Marwadi, all kind of food, and that also pure vegetarian restaurants. So I will suggest Bali is beautiful once it comes to India. Chennai is also very beautiful place. So it depends where you would like to travel. You would like to travel domestic or international, I can always suggest to you.
Yes, of course, I will be a part. And in this, everybody, since everyone, if anybody wants to connect with you or probably plan for their journey or plan for their, how can they connect with you?
So basically, they can just come to our Facebook page called Party and Travel. We have almost 7 Facebook page, depending upon what kind of activity they would like to do it. They can just join by just doing a like there, and we will just be connect to them. We will connect them directly.
So your team can get connected to them and they can assist.
Yes.
Right. Okay,
Yes.
understood your words. And in this case now, since we are talking about perfect woman, and for today you are my perfect woman. So talking about you, tell me something about you. What are your likes? Like, as you are a multi-talented personality, you are always busy planning others' tours and travels and their holidays. So when it comes to your holidays, Viva's holiday, how do you spend your holiday? Your favorite cuisine, your
Uh,
favorite holiday.
Okay, so now this is a techie. Being I travel so much, I prefer to come back at home and be with my mom. That is my perfect holiday, to be very frank. And I have amazing friends around me. One of you is you, so I will prefer to have a very nice dinner with you, which is a perfect
Wow,
holiday for me. That's
of
how our
course.
event managers' holidays. It's all about family. It's all about being with a very close friends, and that's how our holiday gets done.
You recently got awarded as a superwoman also, and you are an entrepreneur. You've been getting so. What is the basic forte of your solitaire event? Since the event industry is working right now, and if since you said that everything is all about events, you plan marriages and weddings and any birthday parties and all like. So for that also, is there any customized?
So basically, we have a budget planning for the wedding. Most of the weddings, which I've seen, Marwadi weddings and everything, they spend 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs just into wedding planning, just only to the planner. When it comes to our, we don't take extra charges for wedding planning. We customize the whole package together. We ask the front person, what is your budget? If they say 10 lakhs, we make it sure in 10 lakhs everything gets done. Like, there is no tension to our clients for the same thing. Besides, my team also have 3D designers. My team also has people who are into the catering. It's almost 15 years they are into the catering. So we customize the menu for them. We also customize the designs for them, and then we give it. So when they came to us, it's a 360-degree of planning. It's not that you have to go for a production to somebody else or for the designing to somebody else. You come to Solitary Events, you get 360-degree everything in your budget. That's what we.
Right. Do you have any website for this?
Yes, it's called www.solitaryevents.com. I can share it to you in your comment box also for the same.
Yes, yes. So this will be very nice because today in the fast-paced life, everyone is looking something with their budget. And if you've been customizing everything into their budget, definitely people will like to approach and reach you. So in this case, your guidance needed a lot. So it would be very nice if you can connect with our people or as well as. And talking about perfect women, I would like to know, because everything comes from a perfect woman. We all are lifting each other. We all are growing with each other. Who is your perfect woman in your life? You've been admiring a person.
Okay, so basically Jennifer Aniston is the one of the person who I admire a lot. She has been up and down lots of way, but still she is going very strong, not only into the personal life, but also. So she is kind of inspiration for me.
Okay. And you are a single person. You always believe in enjoying.
Yes.
So when it comes to others and about when it comes to empowering womanhood, what would be your advice for other women who are single, but somewhere they are fighting or juggling with jotting their own things? For them, what is your advice?
It's a very simple thing. Keep on moving. It doesn't define if you are a single or you are double. It's all about your own confidence. It's all about your own energy and vibes. So just keep on moving. Whatever you're doing, just be confident about it and just focus and just go further. That's what I will say. All the perfect women.
Wow, Viba, it is really the best conversation I ever had with a person who is full of life right now. And first of all, and nevertheless,
Thank you so much, Khushi.
and it is always a pleasure to have. In this case, definitely we'll be connecting each other's again for the next session, because here I can see the comments. What would be your advice post lockdown? Post lockdown, what would be your advice for traveling? Since now you know everything, the scenes are as such, we are not supposed to go anywhere. But
True.
people sitting at home for more than 3 months, it's more of like they have been into the phase where they want to come out, they want to go for outing, they want to live a life with full. So for them, what is your advice? After lockdown, what would be your advice? Which place to be the best for travel?
I will suggest everybody to go somewhere nearby Mumbai itself. Don't travel very far. For example, if any people ask me where you will travel, I will say I will prefer to go to Mahatheran, Mahabaleshwar, Marshall's Ghat, which is nearby to Mumbai. Because if something is happening, we can come back to Mumbai again, and we have every facility. If you go from here to Goa and then things doesn't work out, you need to come back to Mumbai is a difficult time. So whenever the travel start, and if people are going for enjoyment, go travel which is 4 hours, 5 hours drive, and then come back. That is my suggestion for everybody right now.
I agree, and I really appreciate your words. Now, for the corona and COVID and pandemic, what is your advice for everyone?
Please wear the mask. That is more than enough.
that is what. Anyways, it was very nice to be.
Thank you, Khushi. Yes.
Yeah, so your pointers, your quotes are very important for our readers, and I really wish Party and Travel Group to grow and grow. And we've been sending all the messages to you as soon as we get it. So please kindly share your link and your website in our comment box so that we can share it with. Okay, and it is nice to have you again. Catch you soon, sweet.
Thank you, Khushi. Thank you so much.
Take care. So everyone, it was she